starting on 3-draw whole step bent, I'm releasing it, and then sliding over to the 4-draw. So I do that 3 times, and after that, I slide back to the 3-draw, bend it down a whole step, and release it back, and then slide to the 2. So that's the main part. The ending riff, I'm starting bent, 3-draw whole step up to the 3-draw, and I'm going right back down to the whole step bend, over to the 2-draw, 2 of those. I'm really articulating on these. It's like kind of a ta-ta, but it's on the inhale. And then I'm going to the 2 blow. I'm doing that 1 draw twice, again with that articulation, ta-ta, back to the 2 blow, to the 2 draw. At the very end, I slide up to the 6 blow, I do that slide, and end with a slap. One thing to be really careful on when you're doing these bends is when you release the note, you want to be at that nice full embouchure so that you get that clean draw note. So when I bend from that 3-draw whole step and release it, I want to be at that clean 3-draw sliding over to the 4. So those are both really clean. It's really most important when you do that 3-draw bend to the 3 release. When you slide to the 2, it's so easy just to bend it a little bit. So you want to try to get to that 2 draw and have it nice and clear and not have any bend on it. See you next Monday.